This is a Raya box number 2. It was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya box number 2 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Raya box number 2 is made from wood, and it is made by the designer, by Yavuz Demirhan. The Raya box number 2 is a part of a Raya box puzzle series where there are 8 different puzzles, where the set of pieces is different, the shape of the opening inside of the frame is different, and the solution is obviously different in each one of 8 puzzles. The Raya box number 2 has 4 L-shaped parts and 2 T-shaped parts, and you have to find a way how to fit all of them inside of the frame. If you just try to stick the parts inside of the frame like that, you will be able to fit probably 4, maybe even 5 parts, but then you won't have enough space to fit the last piece. Like you can see, I don't have enough space to fit the couple of parts. So you have to remove all of them and start over and find the correct solution. If you like the Raya box number 2 and you want to try to solve it, or you want to try to solve the rest of the puzzles from Raya box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.